So the next award is for most trustworthy movers and packers company of the year, and it goes to Gupta Home Packers and Movers Private Limited. So I would request Mr. Shantanu Gupta to please come on stage.
Proud father. Like my father used to say, he's a very proud father because he's got a son, Shakti Kapoor, who has gotten some happiness in life where people say, ये शक्ति कपूर का बाप है, सिकंदर लाल कपूर, और आज मुझे बोलते ये श्रद्धा का बाप है, शक्ति कपूर।
Wow, that is it.
So it's beautiful. So ये सब चीजें जिंदगी में चलती रहनी चाहिए। और एक चीज और हमको कोरोना ने भी बहुत कुछ सिखाया है कि एक अच्छा इंसान कैसे बनना है, ये लालच को कैसे खत्म करना है। लालच इंसान से झूठ बुलवाती है, लालच इंसान से गलत काम करवाती है। करेक्ट है ना बॉस?
Yes sir.
तो हम लोगों को एक अच्छा इंसान बनना है। एक छोटी सी कहावत है जो मेरे पिताजी कहते थे कि भगवत गीता कहती है नियत तेरी साफ हो, किस्मत तेरी दासी है। भगवत गीता कहती है नियत तेरी साफ हो, किस्मत तेरी दासी है, कर्म तेरे अच्छे हो तो घर में ही मथुरा काशी है, घर में ही मथुरा काशी।
Wow. Can we have a louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please?
दीदी जी आप इम्प्रेस हुई कि नहीं? मैं आपको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए क्या क्या कर रहा हूँ, गिरता पड़ता पहुंचा हूँ आपके पास। उदयपुर से कुछ 3 घंटे आगे था मैं, पर इनको डेट दे दी थी तो मैंने कहा जो वादा किया है निभाना पड़ेगा, और इधर आकर तो मैं जागृत हो गया हूँ। सोया तो 3 घंटे हूँ रात भर का, बट दिस अचीवमेंट अवार्ड इज अ बिग थिंग एंड अगेन आई कांग्रेचुलेट एवरीवन, ऑल द अचीवर्स, a huge applause from my side. God bless you all and thank you very much.
Thank you so much sir. Thank you.
और 36 डेड बॉडीज का दाह संस्कार किया मैंने अपने हाथों से, और मैंने ये सीखा, मेरा वैसे रियल एस्टेट का बिजनेस है, लेकिन मैंने ये चीज़ सीखी और मैं ये सब आप सबसे ये सिर्फ ये कहने आया था कि इंजॉय के साथ साथ आप अगर थोड़ी बहुत चैरिटी अपने उन लोगों के लिए कर सकें जो उस चीज़ को अचीव नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसे लोग देखे जो उस टाइम पे एक जो लकड़ी के पैसे होते हैं वो भी अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाता। तो बस यही कहना चाह रहा था कि वो इंजॉयमेंट जो थी वो मैंने ऐसी देखी है अपनी लाइफ में। मेरा पहला अवार्ड है, आज तक मैंने कोई अवार्ड नहीं लिया, लेकिन एक वो खुशी जो थी ना मेरे को उस टाइम पे, वो आज दिख रही है कि लोगों के साथ, आप सबके साथ बैठ के। तो मुझे शायद बोलना नहीं आता, लेकिन जो भी मैं कह सकता था छोटी सी बात पे आपको कुछ समझा रहा था, बस। थैंक यू।
आपको बोलना नहीं आता, इतनी प्यारी बात कही यहाँ पे। एंड सर योर फोन। Thank you so much. And I think charity, of course, is something that everyone should do. That is a sign of if you give something, it comes back to you 10 times multiplied, and that is what charity is. And Entrepreneur of the Year that goes to Mr. Arjun Deshpande. So may I please request Mr. Arjun Deshpande to please come on the stage and receive the award. And meanwhile, my audiences, you can't be low on energy. Let us achieve, because achievers applaud other achievers. Moving on to our next award, it's for the best brand for quality manufacturing and exporting sanitary ware. To receive this award, we have with us V.B. Narayana and Company. Let us give a huge round of applause. I request Mr. Narayana to please come on stage and receive the award. And meanwhile, my beautiful audiences, please give a huge round of applause for these achievers. I think achievers need to applaud for other achievers. That is the reason that we are achievers, right? Congratulations to everyone. The next award is for Outstanding Dentist of the Year, Maharashtra. Shantanu Gupta from Movers and Packers. Please give a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, my dearest achievers. Can we have a huge round of applause for these achievers? One, I think achievers need to applaud other people. That's how we rise together. It's all about togetherness. Moving on to our next category, it's for the leading manufacturer and wholesaler of the year. My beautiful audiences, can we have a huge round of applause, please? The section over there, I need to hear applauses from everyone from that table. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. The next is for leading manufacturer and wholesaler of the year. automobile sector, and it goes to NOS2 Research and Development Private Limited. I will request the representative from the team to please come and receive the award. The next award goes for Best Young IT Entrepreneur of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Saranam Narendra Kumar from Apex Solutions Limited. We request Mr. Saranam Narendra Kumar to come on stage and receive this award. Here we have, sir. Can we please have a huge round of applause? Can I say it enough? Achievers! Come on, you guys are achievers. You can't be low on energy. Congratulations, sir. The next award for the evening is for the leading preschool with innovative curriculum, and it goes to Sprouts Preschool. Let's have a big, huge round of applause for Miss Meena. I would request Miss Meena to please come on stage and receive the award. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए देवियों सज्जनों. हमारे achievers सब एक साथ बैठे हैं. We need to, uplift each other. Congratulations, Miss Meena. Looking very pretty today. Let's move on to our next award as well. It's for the best Ayurvedic sexologist clinic in Chandigarh, and the award goes to Yogis Ayurveda. I request Dr. Sukhjinder Singh Yogi to please come and receive this award. They are from the family of Ayurvedic doctors, and they have kept people healthy since 4 generations. Known as the world-renowned Khandani Vaid, best sexologist, treated more than lakhs and lakhs of patients. Congratulations, sir. अरे हमारे प्यारे अचीवर्स, कम ऑन यार, तालियां तो मत रोको यार. इतना तो कर सकते हैं ना हम अपने अचीवर्स के लिए. The upcoming award is for most innovative interior designer in Delhi NCR, and the award goes to Dr. Nikita Sharma. Let's have a big round of applause for Dr. Dimple and Dr. Nikita Sharma. Big round of applause. बोला था मैंने देवी और सज्जनों. Big round of applause. Bigger than that, can we have the audience at the back join us with a round of applause? Congratulations, ma'am. Moving on to the next award, it goes to the best dentist for dental awareness, and it goes to Dr. Rayaman Kumar Mishra. We request Dr. Rayaman Kumar Mishra to please come on stage and receive the award. Congratulations, sir, and for that message also that you gave us. Thank you so much. यार मैं बार-बार बोल रही हूँ, देख लीजिए, आप सपोर्ट नहीं करो, खुद से तालियां बजाएगी रहा तो थोड़ी तो एक्सरसाइज बनती है ना. It has many health benefits. Clapping hands. सच में I'm telling you. Congratulations, Dr. Raymond Kumar Mishra. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, next award is for Leading Educational Institute for the Development of Rural Areas, and it goes to NRDS Management Private Limited. We request the person from the team to please come on stage and receive the award. It is one of the premier education institute of Northeast India. NRDS is running industrial training institutes, senior secondary schools and English medium schools in degree colleges in different locations of Assam. NRDS has received various awards such as Best Vocational Training Institute of Assam. Congratulations. Arey wow, see, so supportive. My huge love to you all. Thank you. And there are other people. Moving on to our next award. This award is for Leading Social Worker of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Gautam Khanna, founder Rakh Roshni Ummeed Ki Foundation. I would request Mr. Gautam Khanna to please come on stage and receive this award. It's a very beautiful award for a beautiful cause. So congratulations, sir. And इसके लिए तो तालियां बनती हैं. इसके लिए तो मुझे बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए. Thank you so much, guys. You are an amazing audience and amazing achievers. Thank you and congratulations, Mr. Gautam Khanna. Moving on to our next award, it's for Best Skin and Beauty Clinic in Nagpur, and the award goes to Dr. Richa's Unique Clinic. I want to call upon the very beautiful and very talented Dr. Richa R. Jain on stage to receive this award. Dr. Richa Jain is the managing director, and she has a unique clinic, Nagur, running 2 clinics in Nagpur, 22 years experience to treat over 25,000 patients. And wow, that is an amazing number. Already won 18 national awards and 5 international awards last 22 years. It's also just A greater community just spreading around the Secretary Maharashtra Pradesh Mahila Congress. Oh my God, that is amazing. Congratulations, ma'am. The next award is for Best Skincare Clinic in Gujarat, and it goes to Dr. Milan Agarwal, Gayatri Cosmetology Clinic. We are glad to invite Dr. Milan Agarwal on stage to receive the award. Thank you so much. And हमारे achievers, please यार तालियां बजाते रह सकते हैं बिल्कुल. Thank you so much. So Dr. Milan Agarwal is a cosmetologist at Gayatri Clinic, Vadodara, Gujarat. He has done postgraduate diploma in clinical cosmetology at Germany, and he's been practicing since last 7 years. Congratulations. So the next award is for Best Hair and Skin Care Clinic in Punjab, and the award goes to Jollity Box OPC Private Limited. I would like to call upon stage Viswas Rana and Radha Rana to receive the award. Let's give them a big, huge round of applause, please. Moving on, everyone deserves to look like a celebrity, and I believe that everyone who is an achiever is a celebrity. The next award for the evening is for Add-on Group. I think we have a beautiful AV that we will be showing. Sir? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Add-on Group. Now, I would request Shakti sir to please take a seat while we play a AV of Add-on Group, as they are the India's best quality, most beautiful, amazing energy जो आपने अभी लाई थी. Now, it's back partially, but can I hear it more? Can we have a huge round of applause? Shukriya.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Mr. Ritesh. Evening's next award is for Most Promising Teacher in Chennai, and it goes to Miss Meena Sri Krishna. We are glad to invite the concerned person from the team to receive the award. Please join us on stage, and we can have Miss Meena is right on stage with us to just receive this award. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the stage yet again. A huge round of applause. दो awards. Come on. Congratulations, ma'am.
लाइट फिक्स रखने अच्छा रहेगा. एक फिक्स कर ले सकते हैं थोड़ा सा.
Yes, can I have a louder round of applause, please? So the next award is the categories for Education Leadership Award. Is Top Distance Education Learning Institute in North India, and it goes to Sky Education. Can I please request Mr. Shashank Garg to come and receive this award with us? Yeah, he's right here with us. A huge round of applause for this beautiful award that we are giving right now, please. Sky Education Group springs up in 2012 by a group of professionals who have excelled in their respective fields and boundless experience in both national and international markets, with main objective to provide consultancy liberals of hassles for both distance and regular education. Can I please have a louder round of applause for this? So the next category of award is for the India's best quality interior designers of the year, and of course हमने भी beautiful AV देखी है उसकी. So it goes to Add-on Group. I would request Mr. Mudassir, Mr. Bharat and Mr. Manjunath to come on stage and receive this award, please. Can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you so much, and we saw that beautiful AV. Congratulations. I think the designs look really amazing. Thank you so much, and congratulations for winning this award. The next award is for Best Bone Adjustment Therapist in Delhi, and the award goes to Dr. Faiz Alam. Can I please request Dr. Faiz Alam to come on stage and receive this award? Congratulations, sir, for receiving the Best Bone Adjustment Therapist in Delhi award. And मेरे achievers, My beautiful and energetic achievers. Thank you. I didn't have to say it this time. Thank you so much. I think यार बनता है सबके लिए applaud करना. हम सबने मेहनत की है and we all deserve applauses. Congratulations. A big congratulations to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the next segment of the award is for the best quality dental care center in Pune. That goes to Dr. Ajwani's Dental Center. Can I please request Dr. Ajwani's Dental Center to come on stage to receive the award? Let's just give him a huge round of applause, please. We would like to welcome Dr. Himanshu and Dr. Dimple Ajwani, directors of Dr. Ajwani's Dental Clinic. Dr. Ajwani's Dental Clinic is located in Koregaon Park, Pune. It is a world-class facility with state-of-art equipment. They have been providing a unique and relaxed dental experience and highest standard of treatment since the year 2008. A big congratulations. Can we please have a huge round of applause? Awards sets benchmarks. Congratulations to the team. Moving on to our next award. It is for the leading joint replacement surgeon in South Gujarat and it goes to Dr. Manu Sharma, joint replacement surgeon. Let's have a big round of applause for Dr. Manu Sharma, joint replacement center. Can I request Dr. Manu Sharma to please come on stage on behalf of Dr. Manu Sharma's joint replacement surgeon to receive the award. Let's give a huge round of applause. They are the best and leading joint replacement surgeon in South Gujarat, head of joint replacement department of Shalvi Hospital, Surat, with experience of more than 9,000 joint replacement surgeries. He is the youngest in the world to achieve that. That is amazing. Congratulations, sir. Moving on to our next award, it is for the best educational service provider MP and it goes to Vijay Mantra, Dr. Deepak Jain. May I please request Vijay Mantra's Dr. Deepak Jain to come on stage and receive this award. In the city of Indore, whenever it comes to education related services, Vijay Mantra is the first name which comes to everybody's mind. For last 5 years, Vijay Mantra has been providing exclusive services in the education sector to students, teachers, schools, colleges, universities, parents, school transporters and whatnot. Vijay Mantra is taking two parties meet and happily associates for each other for a quick, economic and mutually beneficial manner. So I think thank you so much, sir, and congratulations. Moving on to our next award, it is for the Best Placement Institute of Maharashtra Hotel Management and it goes to ICE College of Hotel. We are glad to invite Ms. Satnam Kaur Sabharwal to receive the award. Ma'am, please join us on stage. Congratulations and my beautiful achievers, can I have a huge round of applause for them? Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Today, we are going to facilitate Satnam Kaur Sabharwal, women behind Tejinder Singh Sabharwal, founder of IC College of Hotel Management Colleges of all over Maharashtra. First college where a student can get opportunity to earn their degree. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, ma'am. So the next award for the evening is for the best multi-speciality dental clinic in Mumbai and the award goes to Truth Avenue Dental Clinic. We request Dr. Manoj Bodhwani and Dr. Pooja Kukreja Bodhwani to come on stage and receive this award, please. Heartiest congratulations for winning this award. A big congratulations and my beautiful achievers, can I please have a huge round of applause for them? So Truth Avenue Dental Clinic, they have over 15 years of experience in dentistry and have 2 dental clinics in Bihar and Sion. Truth Avenue Dental Clinic has served more than 6,000 patients till date. Welcome, sir and ma'am. Please grace the stage with your presence and you can go ahead. Congratulations for this award and you guys are looking very beautiful today. Congratulations to the team. Devi और सज्जनों, मेरे खूबसूरत achievers, can I have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you. थोड़ी energy low हो सकती है, but let's applaud them. So moving on to our next category, it is for the next award, which goes for Most Promising Dietitian of the Year, Haryana, and it goes to Dr. Nikita Sharma. Let's have a big round of applause for Dr. Nikita Sharma. May I please request Dr. Nikita Sharma to come on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am.
नहीं जाने दो ऊपर जाने दो
So, my bad. The next award is for Upcoming Brand of the Year, and the award which, goes to Jyoti Wellness Private Limited. May I please request Ms. Kajal Krishnani to come and receive the award? Thank you, ma'am. You're looking so pretty. So, can we have a huge round of applause for them, please? Congratulations for receiving this award. I think this brand has been a really iconic one. So moving on to our next award, it's for the Most Promising Dietitian of the Year, Haryana, and it goes to Dr. Nikita Sharma. A big and huge round of applause for Dr. Nikita Sharma, please. उन्होंने हमारे साथ experience भी share किया था. इतना कम. Can I please request the band people to join in the applause? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Dr. Nikita Sharma. The next award is for the Best Educational Institute of the Year, and the award goes to All India Institute of Training and Education. I would like to call upon the representative person from the team to receive the award. The Best Educational Institute of the Year, and the award goes to All India Institute of Training and Education. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए देवी और सज्जनों. Thank you so much for being such an amazing audience.
Look, yes, sir.
The next award of the evening is for Most Creative Architecture and Interior Design Firm in Pune, and it goes to Sri Brahma Architects. May I please request the concerned person from the team to come on stage and receive this award? And can we meanwhile have a round of applause for them? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. You are the most supportive one. Congratulations on winning this award, sir. And I can see so many smiling faces in the audience. It makes me so happy. Moving on to our next award.
Thank you, sir.
It is for the leading polyclinic of the year, Jaipur, and it goes to Medinova Polyclinic, Dr. Piyush Trivedi. Dr. Piyush Trivedi, please join us on stage and accept this award. Dr. Piyush Trivedi is the president of Acupressure Seva Samiti and Pink City Ayurved Sansthan, Jaipur, an honorary alternative doctor to the Indian Armed Forces and a consultant Ayurvedic physician at the Government Ayurved Hospital, Vidhan Sabha, Jaipur. तो अगर आर्म फोर्सेस से कोई होता है तो मेरी तो रिस्पेक्ट और ज्यादा होती, तो तालियां थोड़ी ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations for receiving this award.
Thank you, sir.
The next award is for leading fertility hospital in Hyderabad, and the award goes to Angels Fertility. I would like to call upon stage Dr. Asma Aisha to receive the award. Let's give her a big round of applause. Dr. Asma Aisha. And I said a big round of applause, my achievers. We can do that. Thank you so much, the COO and founder and director of Angels Fertility, who has successfully established more than 3 fertility centers in Hyderabad with an aim and objective to establish affordable IVF treatment with biological child. Angels Fertility addresses to all fertility treatment with transparency and ethical values. Heartiest congratulations to you, ma'am, for winning this award.
Thank you.
Congratulations. The next award is for the most reliable and trusted dental clinic in Lucknow, and the award goes to Cosmic Dental Clinic. May I please request Ms. Jyoti Bajpai and Ms. Riya Vaswani to come on stage and receive this award. A big congratulations. I think Lucknow is my hometown, so I would request everyone to please give a louder round of applause for them. Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations for this award, and I think every achiever over here,
उधर ही
no one especially actually sitting on back.
बस-
I really want to
बस
hear
बाहर
the
है ना,
loudest
तब ले।
applauses from you guys. I'm not hearing anything from you. Thank you. Congratulations, Ms. Jyoti Bajpai and Ms. Riya Vaswani for this award. Moving on to our next award, it is for the best creative architecture firm in Mumbai, and it goes to ESI Designs.
Thank you.
May I please request Ms. Ekta Charua to come on stage and receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for her? So, moving on to our next category, the special award is for the most innovative architects and interior designers in Mumbai, and it goes to Finer Edge. Let's have a big round of applause for them. I think everyone deserves our applause. मेरे अच्छी बस एक बार तालियां बजाओ तो मैं next award announce करने वाली हूँ. Thank you so much. The next award is for leading consultant and training and coaching, and the award goes to Dishi Consultants. I would like to call upon Ms. Nidhi Bandaru to receive the award. Let's give her a big applause. Ms. Nidhi Bandaru is a serial entrepreneur who runs Dishi Consultants and is co-founder of IBO, which is Infinite Business Opportunity, and author of a book, Reasons or Results. This pretty face. Thank you so much, ma'am. And your achievements are something really inspirational. Can we have a louder round of applause for her, please? Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations. So, our next award is for the most creative interior designing firm of the year, and it goes to White Lotus Interior. May I please request Prajakta Kalu to come on stage and receive this award? Prajakta owns White Lotus Interior Studios, which specializes in strategically designed interiors, high-end and residency. Her projects start with a concept that tells a story and designs interiors with furniture and decor that is dynamic, flexible and inspiring. Prajakta has a degree from British College of Arts, acclaimed interior designer program, and was also selected as India's top 60 women entrepreneurs by Goldman Sachs and the Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. She has honed her ability to imagine a space and bring it to life. Prajakta's natural instincts lead her to add value and sophistication to her space. Some of her projects have also been published in Home Trends and BBC Good Homes. Congratulations, ma'am. Moving on to our next award. This is evening's next award for Best Business and Legal Consultant of the Year in Mumbai, and it goes to Advocate Shivangi Biz Mistro. I love the name. I would repeat, Advocate Shivangi Biz Mistro. Please come on stage and give us the honor to give you that award. Big congratulations. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Again, the back team is like down.
Oh yeah.
You can't disappoint me, guys. Please, a louder round of applause, please, for all the achievers sitting in the room. Thank you. The next award is for leading homeopathy clinic in Mumbai, and the award goes to Dr. Sophia's Homeopathy Clinic. I would like to call upon stage Dr. Sophia Sheikh Yasin to receive the award. Let's give her a big and huge round of applause. Very congratulations, ma'am, for the award. Before I move on to the next award, can I please hear a huge applause from your side for yourselves who have been working so hard and are here to share that space with us. Can I please have everyone from back join in for the applause? Thank you so much. The next award is for leading quality steam therapy provider in Maharashtra, and the award goes to Sri Ganesh Naturopathy. May I please request the concerned person from the team to grace the stage and receive the award. Very congratulations, sir. Thank you so much, and especially for that team. You guys are the best. Applauding for everyone. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir, for the award. Our next award is for the best initiative for inclusion and well-being of schools in India, and it goes to Jagdishwari School of Learning. May I please request Dr. Pavni Baivika to come on stage and receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause? Congratulations. Moving on to our next award, this is for leading quality education in preschool in Mumbai, and it goes to Sunshine Kids. Let's have a big, huge round of applause for Sunshine Kids, and may I please request Miss Rebecca to come on stage to receive the award. Moving on to our next award, it is for the most innovative school in Maharashtra, and the award goes to Neuron Lab School. Let's give a huge round of applause for everyone sitting over here. And now I'm hearing in the loudest crowd. I would like to. So the next award is for the most innovative school of Maharashtra, and the award goes to Neuron Lab School. I would like to call upon Mr. Santosh Sethuraman to receive this award. Let's give him a huge round of applause, please. He is the founder and president of Neuron Lab School, which is the most innovative school in Maharashtra. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. And can we have a huge round of applause for him? So the next award of the evening is for leading jewelry brand in Meerut, and it goes to Balram Johari and Sons. May I please request nutritionist Mr. Ishan Johari to come on stage and receive this award. Heartiest congratulations. Now moving on to our next category, which is evening's next award, which is the best quality natural gemstones online seller in India, and it goes to Jewelry Shop India. I would request Ms. Sakshi to please join on stage and accept this award. Big congratulations to everyone who is a part of it, and एक बार अपने लिए जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए for everyone, for applaud for yourselves, because you guys are like the bestest achievers I've seen and the most smiling faces I've seen in the audience. So congratulations to each one and everyone. My dear folks, I think this was the last award of the evening. My watch says that it's time to close now, and it is time to bring the event to an end. It is really a pleasure for me to be here in between most of the amazing business tycoons, the success stories that you guys are. It has been an honor for me. The one last award that is remaining for this evening is for the leading makeup artist of the year, and the award goes to Karan Singh, makeup artist. And I would like to call upon Mr. Karan Singh to receive this award. Let's give him a huge round of applause. I can understand, guys. Energy थोड़ी low है, पर smile सबके चेहरे पे. That is amazing. Keep that energy on. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. And as I said, it's been an honor to be amidst you all today. I would now like to take the opportunity to thank our chief guest, Mr. Shakti Kapoor.
Yeah, my name is Dr. Manu Sharma. I'm Senior Joint Replacement Surgeon at Shalby Hospital, Surat.
सर बात करिए आज जो अवार्ड मिला इसके सिलसिले में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आपको किस सिलसिले में अवार्ड मिला
Actually, I've been awarded in the category of being Best Joint Replacement Surgeon in Gujarat. Myself, I have done more than 9,000 joint replacements, and at age of only 33, and that is, I think, I'm the youngest in the world to perform more than 9,000 joint replacements in the world.
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज के अवार्ड के लिए
It was a
नवाजा गया आपको अवार्ड से
Yeah, it was a fantabulous event, and Shakti sir's presence was mesmerizing, and we all enjoyed a lot, and we would like to be in touch with all of you guys. Thank you very much.
सर सबसे पहले आपका परिचय आपका नाम
Yeah, I'm Dr. Sagar Barkade from Mumbai Chembur, Smile Dental Hospital.
आज जो आपको अवार्ड मिला है इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I have been awarded for Outstanding Dentist of the Year.
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अवार्ड को लेकर? कितना
Yeah, event was very nice, and I would like to thank Eminent Research.
सबसे पहले आपका परिचय, आपका नाम?
Basically, I am Tejinder Singh Sabharwal, founder director of ICE College of Hotel Management. We are the most innovative college of hotel management in Maharashtra in India, and we are the only college which gives opportunity to student to earn their degree. होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज बहुत हैं, लेकिन जहाँ पे बच्चे अपनी डिग्री खुद कमा सकें वो एक ही है कॉलेज पूरे इंडिया में, दैट इज़ आइस कॉलेज ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट.
आपको शक्ति जी के हाथों अवार्ड से नवाजा गया, क्या कहना चाहिए? कितना अच्छा मौका था आज ये?
बहुत ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट था, एंड वी आर हैप्पी टू मीट हिम, and we have also invited him in our food fest, and we will like to again talk to him and interact. That's it.
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अवार्ड को लेकर?
But basically सब सजेशन पूछ रहे थे कि किस तरह से ये बिज़नेस किया जाए, सक्सेसफुल हो किस तरह से. तो मेरा ये सजेशन है कि लोग चैरिटी करते हैं बिज़नेस समझ के, हम बिज़नेस करते हैं चैरिटी समझ के, बस यही डिफरेंस है. थैंक यू.
सर सबसे पहले आपका परिचय, आपका नाम?
I am Subis Sarkar, Director of NRDS Management Private Limited. I am from Assam, Guwahati से आया है.
आज जो अवार्ड मिला इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
उसके लिए तो पहले मैं एमिनेंट ग्रुप को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि जो काम हम लोग करते हैं उसको अगर रिवॉर्ड किया जाए तो अच्छा लगता है, तो अच्छा लगा उसके प्रोग्राम में आके.
थैंक यू. सर सबसे पहले आपका परिचय, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम दीपक जैन है और मैं विजय मंत्रा इंदौर से हूँ, एंड विजय मंत्रा का मैं सीईओ हूँ जो पूरा विजय मंत्रा मैनेज करता हूँ.
क्या कहना चाहिए आज के अवार्ड के बारे में?
सर ये एक यूनिक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. आई थिंक ये अपॉर्चुनिटी रैंडमली ही मिलती है कि इन सब चीज़ों में से सबको सेलेक्ट करना और उनके काम को बताना लोगों के सामने, ताकि उनको एक अप्रिशिएशन मिले, एक एंथुजियास्टिक मिले. ताकि आई थिंक कोविड में सभी लोग परेशान हुए हैं, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि आफ्टर कोविड एक नया झील है हमारे अंदर कि एजुकेशन के क्षेत्र में और बच्चों को लाएं, क्योंकि सभी परेशान हैं अभी. और अगर इस चीज़ में अगर विजय मंत्रा एक सक्सेसफुल रोल प्ले करती है तो मैं समझता हूँ ये बहुत विजय मंत्रा एक 360 एजुकेशनल सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर है, जो हर चीज़, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट हो, प्रिंसिपल हो, स्कूल हो, डायरेक्टर्स हो, कॉलेज हो, इवन एक वर्चुअल स्कूल भी स्टार्ट किया है कोविड में, ताकि जो बच्चों को फ्री ऑफ एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कराता है. थैंक यू.
सबसे पहले आपका नाम?
मैं डॉक्टर योगी फ्रॉम योगीज आयुर्वेदा, चंडीगढ़.
क्या करते हैं आप?
So we are specialized in Ayurveda and serving in Ayurveda since 4 generations with the different issues related to infertility and PMEs, skin disorders, joints का skin में, and there are so many things we did with the Ayurveda medicines with which surgery is not required and non-surgical treatments we provide in Ayurveda, and with successful results and clinical achievements is there with the successful proofs.
आज के इवेंट के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए? जो अवार्ड जो हुआ है बिजनेस अवार्ड, इसके बारे में बात करें.
मुझे इस अवार्ड मिलने में बहुत खुशी महसूस कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई बीन नॉमिनेटेड इन चंडीगढ़, एंड बीइंग साइड अगर कहा जाए तो मुझे नॉर्थ साइड में इन्होंने मुझे चंडीगढ़ में अप्रोच करा, एंड दे हैव सिलेक्टेड मी एंड एन आयुर्वेदा एंड द बेस्ट सेक्सोलॉजिस्ट फॉर द रीजन. एंड आई विश के मैं अपनी तरफ से और मेहनत करूँगा ताकि जो हमारी 4 पीढ़ियों से आयुर्वेद में हम लोग प्रक्रिया बनाई हुई है एक बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट देने के लिए, तो प्रभु मुझे और आशीर्वाद दे कि हम लोग और भी बेहतर लेवल पर काम कर सकें और सेवा दे सकें आयुर्वेद में.
कितनी खुशी है शक्ति कपूर के हाथों आपको मिला, एक पंजाबी का अवार्ड दे रहा है.
नहीं, वो देखिए दैट इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग एंड आई फील दैट ऑनर के टू हैव अ अवार्ड फ्रॉम दैट आउटस्टैंडिंग पर्सनालिटी. थैंक यू जी.
सर सबसे पहले आपका परिचय, आपका नाम?
मोहम्मद मुदस्सर फ्रॉम एड-ऑन ग्रुप.
फ्रॉम
एड-ऑन ग्रुप, बैंगलोर.
अवार्ड के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
हम लोगों को एक अप्रिसिएशन मिला है, इसके बारे में मेरे को बहुत खुशी है, बस और कुछ नहीं. इवेंट बहुत अच्छे हुआ, एंड फ्रॉम अ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड फिल्म मेकर वी गॉट द अवार्ड, सो वी आर वेरी मच हैप्पी ऑन दिस.